Talofa lava, I am Shelley Burich and I am the founder of Vaoala Vanilla, an organic vanilla farm based here up in the hills of Vaoala. I started my business about 16 years ago and I sell organic vanilla products like vanilla beans, vanilla syrup and vanilla extract. The methodology for making our vanilla products, we have to start all the way back from when the beans are first pollinated. And we wait 9 months for those beans to mature. And we harvest those ripened beans to then come into the processing stage. The first one being the water bath. And the purpose of that is to kill any bugs, any ants, anything that might be on the beans. But after that, they then get wrapped up into plastic, then towels, and then a blanket, and they're put away in a cooler or a chili bin to start the sweating process. After a 3-day period, they will have a lot of moisture in them. They then come out to what we call the sun curing process. We leave them open to dry out some of that moisture. 1 hour in the sun is good enough. And then they get wrapped up again, back into their plastics, and they're left out for the rest of the day, till maybe 3-4 p.m. in the afternoon, just before the sun goes right down. And then they're wrapped back up in their blankets, put away to bed. And we do that for a period of 14 to 21 days. When the beans are ripe, they then come inside and you air them out. And that is called in-shed curing. It is also a time when I actually start grading the beans. We have 4 different grades by the length and the quality of the bean. It is also the time when we hand massage the beans. You're encouraging the oils and the aromas and the flavors to come through. After 30 days, you then put them into what we call conditioning. They are wrapped up in wax paper and we leave them there until they're ready for the open market. It is organic, it is authentic, and it's just beautiful vanilla grown here in the village of Vaoala. When we think of the Samoan meaning of Vao, that means trees, forests, wood. That represents what the vanilla grows on. Ala means to awaken, to enlighten. The vanilla flower represents how it awakens in the morning to be pollinated to create the vanilla beans that we have up here in Vaoala Vanilla. And this is my story behind my brand and why it's important to register it with IMSIL and the Branding Bureau initiative. Think about your logo, think about your branding and register it because that's yours. Your brand tells your story. Your story belongs to you and you need to register that.